Okay, let me show you some quick hacks that'll make your data more presentable and a little easier to read and manipulate. Now, when you have raw data like this, as you can see, there's really no differentiation because the header row is there, but at the end of the day, there's really no differentiation. So when I scroll up like this, I lose the columns. I would have to remember that this is, oh, I forgot the title, come all the way up. Oh yeah, that's dollars bill. Then as I scroll up, I have to remember, oh, what is this? Oh yeah, that's XYZ. So in order to help you with that, first thing you want to do is convert this into a table. That's so simple. You're going to love this. You highlight the cells by going from that area, holding Shift, and then Command if you're working with a Mac, or Control and hitting the arrow to the right. So like that, it lets you go from the beginning to the end of the column. And then again, you want to hold Shift, Command, and then down, and that highlights the bottom of the data, so it goes to the set. By doing that, you highlight everything you need, and then it's as simple as going over here and going, okay, what do I want to do? I want to create a table. Okay, format as a table. I'm still in the Home tab. Well, what color do I want it? Well, I like this color right here. Let's go with that. That's what I want to do? Absolutely. Does my data have header rows? Absolutely. Those are the items that you see up here on row number 1 that lets you see the actual titles of it. And then I just hit okay. And voila, how much neater is that? And by putting it in a table, it becomes more presentable, and it lets you actually cheat the systems when you want to create formulas that make sense to you. The other thing you want to do now, check it out. Now you see right here where the address is a little bit crunched in and all the cells are the same size, but they did fit different content. But by highlighting the whole thing and double clicking when the cursor turns into a different shape, as you can see right there, it's turning into from a down arrow to a cross, and you just double click. And now look, it fits the formatted cells into the appropriate size. Now that right there is a good hack. Now check it out. Now because you turn into a table, as you scroll up and down, you're like, where am I? As soon as you stop, it appears. So it'll make your life a little bit easier, and it'll help you manipulate your data so it looks better. Tune into our next video, and I'll show you how to go even deeper to make this even easier to digest.